Tired of messy nested if formulas that look like spaghetti? Today I'll show you how to simplify them using VLOOKUP. With just one VLOOKUP, we'll replace a long, ugly formula like this. One clean formula that assigns grades instantly. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how and why this works. Let's imagine this is your monthly employee performance report. And now, we create a simple grading table that will replace all our nested IFs. We only enter the minimum score for each grade. VLOOKUP will automatically match it using approximate match. Now, instead of writing a long nested IF, we type this in C2 equals VLOOKUP B2, select range as G2 to H6, 2, TRU. B2 is the employee score. G2 to H6 is our grading table. 2 is the column number of the grade TRU. Allows approximate matching. Pull the formula down, and boom. All grades are filled automatically. Here's why VLOOKUP wins. Easier to update. If grading rules change, update the table, not your formula. Cleaner formula one line instead of 8 nested IFs. Fewer errors. No missing parentheses, no chaos. Works beautifully for salaries, commissions, tax brackets, scoring models, KPI levels, anything that has ranges. Bonus tip 1. Use XLOOKUP instead. It's even better equals XLOOKUP open parenthesis B, 2, select the range as G2 to G6, H2 to H6, -1. Close parenthesis, XLOOKUP with match mode, -1, finds the next smaller value, perfect for grading. Bonus tip 2. Convert your grading table into a named range, like grade table, and your formula becomes. Bonus tip 3. Use VLOOKUP for HR bands, bonus slabs, salary levels, age groups, anything with ranges. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because at dptutorials, Excel becomes easy.